welcome to Sherlock's Gaming. This is another one of my unboxing videos. Today I have Mario, figure number 1 from Game, with my new collectible of amiibos. Okay, let's open it up. Let's see, we've got little Mario here, holding his classic Mario fireballs. A little code on the bottom. I'm thinking about recolouring this to look like one of his other skins. So I'd have to probably get a very fine brush. So, Mario. I'm also during this video going to show you my reskins for some of my other amiibos. So you remember Link? This is now what he looks like. Dark Link. Just not exact, but you probably couldn't tell it from a distance. This is Pit. I've decorated him to look a little bit like Dark Pit. And this is Samus. So I've got Dark Samus. They're all basically dark versions. Okay, it's the end. Bye.